In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion the easiest way. Notion is a versatile platform that helps you organize your life, whether it's for a personal project, business, or team collaboration. Let's dive right in and get you set up with a new folder, which is fundamentally a page where you can organize your content neatly. First, let's go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Notion. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you are in your connected workspace. This is essentially where all of your projects, docs, and wikis come together, and it provides the foundation for the organization you're about to create. Next, if you aren't already logged in, click on the Login option. Enter your account details and gain access to your Notion space. If you don't have an account, you'll see an option to sign up, which you can quickly complete if needed. Once logged in, you'll see the Notion dashboard, a hub that acts as your starting point for navigating through your various pages and workspaces. Now, we need to go to what's known as the Notion Home. This is your main interface and serves as a launchpad for any page creation or organization tasks. Once you're there, it's time to create a new workspace by moving your attention to the sidebar on the left. Look for the option that allows you to create a new page. This button is quite intuitive to locate and is one of the core actions you'll perform in Notion. Once the page creation window is open, you'll want to give it a name that best describes its purpose. Depending on what you plan to organize, you might call it Projects or Clients. The title you choose serves as an anchor for everything you'll place within this new folder, so think carefully about what best represents your needs. This name will also make it easier to find and share with others, so keep it straightforward and relevant. From there, your new page effectively acts as a folder. You can populate it with various types of content, including text, images, and even subpages, effectively mimicking how you'd store items in a traditional folder. Remember, Notion supports a variety of content types, so feel free to customize what you include here to fit your organizational style. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a fresh new space in Notion to start organizing your content effectively. As you grow more familiar with Notion's capabilities, you'll find numerous ways to streamline your process, customize your pages, and make the platform work for your unique workflow needs. I hope this guide was helpful, and happy organizing in Notion.